This tutorial will teach you how to register and verify your DeSo account. Before we get started, it's essential to understand that we're not just registering a user account, but also a crypto wallet. That being said, the process is easier than creating a Facebook account. All you need is a username and your email address. To get started, open your web browser and launch the website diamondapp.com. Diamond is one of the first apps developed on DeSo and, in many ways, resembles Twitter. Once the website is open, select Create Account, which will provide you with an option to sign up with Google or a DeSo seed. A DeSo seed is a passphrase consisting of 12 randomly generated words. This is all you will need to log into DeSo when required. It is crucial that you store and protect the seed phrase. If you lose it, you lose access to your account. If the seed phrase is compromised, you risk losing whatever funds and NFTs are stored in your DeSo wallet. Both sign-up options are near identical. However, if you sign up with Google, DeSo will automatically encrypt and store your seed phrase in your Google Drive. This will make it easy to log into your DeSo account from other devices. For this tutorial, we will sign up with Google. Selecting this option will launch a pop-up allowing you to authenticate with your Google account. If you do not have one, select Sign up with DeSo Seed. Next, 12 random words will be generated by DeSo, which makes up your seed phrase. Beneath the words are options for you to copy, download, or print. Choose the option that best fits your requirement. When ready, select Continue to diamondapp.com. Note, if you chose to sign up with DeSo Seed, you'll first need to verify the seed phrase generated. You have 3 options to validate your DeSo account: using your mobile phone, buying DeSo, or receiving DeSo. The easiest option is to validate your mobile phone number, which earns you free DeSo currency and helps prevent users from auto-registering unnecessary accounts. There are several available options should you wish to buy DeSo. Alternatively, if you already know someone on the DeSo platform, you could request them to send you the required DeSo. For now, select Get DeSo with phone number and fill in the relevant information. A code will be sent to your mobile phone, which you will need to complete the verification. Once verified, a small amount of DeSo will be sent to your DeSo wallet, enough for you to start posting and interacting with the community. Your DeSo account is officially created. The final step is to complete your user profile on Diamond by providing a username and email address. Your profile picture and bio are not compulsory, but it is recommended that you update this before you start posting. After updating your profile, you will need to follow at least 5 user accounts from a list generated by Diamond. The final step provides a few quick tips. Selecting Continue will complete the Diamond registration process. Congratulations! You are now ready to get started on Diamond. Before we close off, here are a few quick tips to get you going. You should see a few notifications awaiting your attention. Be sure to check them out. There might be a reward or 2 waiting for you. You might notice that you still need to verify your email. A mail from Diamond should be waiting for you in your inbox to do this. Finally, navigate to the home section and introduce yourself by posting your first message when ready.